I just created a complete business presentation in under 30 seconds. No design skills needed, no hours of formatting. Watch this. Here's what most people don't know about AI presentation tools. Gamma AI gets the hype, but it locks you into rigid templates. What if I told you there is a platform that gives you complete control and generates presentation faster than anything else on the market? I tested both tools with the same content. The results will surprise you. Making a polished presentation usually takes hours of design and formatting. I've been there, tweaking fonts, adjusting layouts, fighting with alignment. But Workppt changes everything. It's not just another AI tool, it's a complete productivity platform that handles presentations, documents, and PDFs in one place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create professional presentations that looks like a human designed them. Plus, I'll reveal the hidden features that make this tool a game changer for anyone who creates content. I'm here to solve a problem we all face, whether you are presenting to clients, teaching students, or pitching investors. Your presentation needs to look professional. Today, I'm walking through Workppt, a tool that delivers what Gamma AI promises but often fails to provide. Let me show you how this works in real time. First, the core feature. I'll create a presentation about sustainable energy solutions. I enter my topic here, but watch this. I can also upload files, PDF, Word docs, text files, and even URLs. The AI reads everything and builds a presentation around your content. Now here's the key difference from other tools. I select a template that matches my topic. This step matters because it gives the AI context about design style and structure. Click generate and complete presentation. Professional structure, clean design. This took 25 seconds. Look at this structure, title slide, agenda, main points with supporting data, conclusion. The AI understood my content and created logical flow. But here's where Workppt beats the competition. Full customization control. Hundreds of professional templates, business, education, creative, technical, every design you could need. Let me edit this slide. I can change layouts, adjust colors to match my brand, modify fonts, add images, rearrange elements. This feels exactly like PowerPoint but with AI doing the heavy lifting. The key insight, you get the AI speed with human control. No more fighting rigid templates. When you are done, export options are simple. PowerPoint format, PDF or images. Cross-platform compatibility means it works with any presentation software. Share directly or download for offline use. Quick bonus, I promise to show document upload. Drop any file here, same process, instant presentation. Workppt isn't just presentations, it's a productivity suite. AI chat for quick questions about your content. AI summary turns documents or web pages into key points. PDF tools handle everything, merge, split, convert, watermarks, all the document work you do daily. This integration saves hours of switching between different tools. Here's why Workppt works better than alternatives. Speed presentation in seconds, not hours, professional results without design experience. Huge template library that actually looks modern, multiple interface languages for global teams, perfect for business reports, teaching materials, academic presentations, startup pitches. The free version includes multiple AI features. You get real value before paying anything. Use cases are endless. I've seen marketing teams create campaign decks in minutes, teachers build lesson plans instantly, consultants generate client reports on the fly. Workppt isn't just a presentation maker, it's a complete productivity platform that combines AI automation with the flexibility you need to create professional content. Traditional tools make you choose between speed and quality. Workppt gives you both. Try Workppt yourself. Link is in the description. Create your first presentation and see the difference. If this helped you work smarter, hit subscribe for more AI tool reviews. What presentation challenge should I solve next? Drop it in the comments.